started snowing Monday. Snowed all day into Tuesday. We hung out Tuesday, played a lot on the four-wheeler, and now Tuesday night, last night, it started snowing really hard again. And we've gotten another 4 or 5 inches, I'm not sure how many. And we were about to load up, go get on our snowboard, fly the drone. Bruce, what are you doing? But nonetheless, let's get rolling. We've come out in search of a hill to snowboard on. I think we have found just that. We're gonna come out here to the bottom of the hill, park the car, ride the four-wheeler back up, and snowboard down. I mean, there's not too many places, but this is a pretty covered road. It's not like there's any like tree runs here in Arkansas other than main roads that are decent hills. So we're gonna find us a place to park, which is probably gonna be right here at the church, and go on up and see if we can have some fun. Check these bindings. Ready?
Your head's falling in love. That was so much fun. So we were gonna go to the creek, but the snow's really thick on the road, so we decided to turn around and we found another hill and I'm gonna snowboard down it. And I'm so excited.
Day 4 of the snow apocalypse in Arkansas. Emily's on with the skimboard.
Oh yeah.
We're going to meet the nieces and nephews and sled here at the hill. it. Not the
Ski on them.
Don't ski down.
Oh, Hadley. Watch out, Hadley.
Well, here, I'll tell you what, come here.
Here.
Oh!
Come here.
Tell them the plan, Hadley.
What are we doing? Are we riding four-wheelers and side-by-sides? My little raccoon.
Welcome back to the office. The snow has subsided. It's crazy. Like, in 1 week's time, we had like a wind chill of -20 and it was all the way up to 70 degrees. We had a ton of fun snowboarding, around the four-wheeler, sledding, eating, drinking beer, all that type of thing. It's wild. I'm glad we got to spend a little bit of time documenting and playing and having fun. It is back to work. Go ahead and subscribe. Please subscribe. Like. It really does help out. All that type of thing. We'll probably be going out and we're wanting to float the buffalo soon, which is kind of crazy after that wild cold snap, but it's almost March. Kind of spring is right here around the corner in Arkansas, but hope you all enjoyed the video.
Said you changed and a lot. Got the memory still popping up. Show me your heart, show you mine. You go first, I rewind. You're my soul, my heart, my beauty.